Good morning students. Today we will do chapter number 10, Exponents and Powers. So firstly let you know that what are exponents and what are bases. So exponents and powers means the same thing. Suppose if we have the term 10 raised to power 2. Now here 10 is called base, 10 is base and 2, this 2 is power or exponent. Okay, so you should be knowing this is base and 2 is your power. Now students, in this chapter, first of all just remember certain laws which you will apply in all the exercises in solving the sums. So law number 1, is when bases are same, base is x, power is m. Base is x, power is n. So when bases are same and we are doing multiplication, then powers are added. We are doing multiplication, then what we will do? Powers are added. Second law is when bases are same and bases are same, powers are different and we are doing division, then instead of plus we will do subtraction. X raised to power m minus n. So here the difference is when multiplication is, then bases are same, powers are added. When division we are doing, bases are same, powers we will subtract. Now law number 3. Now any base, whatever the base, if the power is 0, always we will get the answer 1. So it means instead of x, you can write anything, 10, 12 or any numeral, any variable. So whatever, if the power is 0, you are always going to get answer 1. Law number 4, x raised to power m whole power n. ठीक है, x raised to power m whole power n is equal to x raised to power m into n. X raised to power m into n. It will multiply. Now next law number 5. X raised to power is minus 1. So power is minus. It is negative term. So it will be, we will be having the reciprocal of it. So it will be 1 upon x. Okay. So these laws, if any law further, I will tell you when we will solve the exercise. So remember first of all these laws and we will apply them in solving the sums. Okay. So go through it and let us do the next exercise. I am erasing this. Now let us do exercise 1 from class 7th. First of all, find the value of exercise 1. Find the value of 2 raised to power 6. Now it is simple. Now it is, they have only told us to find the value. Find the value means to solve, simplify, evaluate, whatever you will come, you will apply in the same way. Now base is 2, power is 6. It means we will do the multiplication of 2. How many times? 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So it means 2 we are multiplying how many times? 6 times. Now you can simply, if you know, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. Till whatever you know, remember it, you can do, and next you can multiply. So what it is? Answer is 64. Okay. Now one more part out of this I will do. Now fourth part. It is 5 raised to power 4. It means again, what is the base? Base is 5. Power or exponent. Exponent or power means the same. Now, we will do multiplication of 5 how many times? 4 times. So, 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 5 is 25. You can do the multiplication of 25 with 25. 625 is the answer. Okay, students. So, now let us do next question. Question number 2. Express the following in exponential form. Exponential form means in powers form. This form we have to answer. Now let us do question number 2. Here it is given question number 2. First is 6 is given to us in 4 times. In exponential form means in powers form. 6 is repeated how many times? How many times? 4 times. So we will write down this now. Now let us do next sum. Fourth part. 5 into 5. This is given. So 5 is coming how many times? 2 times. And 7 is coming 1, 2, 3. Okay, students. So it means we have got this answer. Similarly, you can solve the other sums also. Now let us do question number 3. In question number 3, we have given some numerals. Express each of the following in exponential notation. Again, now the number is given. So if this type is given, so students, what we will do? Prime factorization method. So in this prime factorization, we should know the divisibility rules. Okay? So I will tell you side by side the divisibility rules also. Now suppose if you see this number is given, the last digit you have to say. It is a which number? Even number. Okay? So it is an even number. It is divisible by 2. If the last digit is 2, 0, 4, 8, 6, means it is coming in table of 2, or you can say it is an even number. So it is divisible by 2. Now we can divide 512 with 2. Some students they don't know what to write. So what they can do? They can do the division on one side, and whatever the quotient they will get. Okay? Now suppose they don't know how to do, they can do the division on one side. Whatever the quotient they got, they will write here. Okay. Now again, if you see the last digit is an even number, it means it is divisible by 2 again. So you can do the division if you are able to do. Then you can do it on one side and then you can write the answer. Okay. Now again we are having the even number. So let us write this 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Now it is not an even number. So next we will see the next divisibility rule. Next divisibility rule of 3. 3 we will say we will add the digits. 8 plus 9 is 17. It is not coming in table of 2. Now then next we will see the another table. Is it coming? 4 we will not have, 5 we will not have, 6 not coming, because in divisibility of 6 is both the numerals should be divisible by 2 and 3. So next is 7, it will not be. So 7, 8, 9, so we will not have any table, so it will be divisible by 89 only. So we will write here. So the divisibility rules for this, if you see, then we will do this divisibility rule. This one is so let us do 2 to 4, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, 12, 2, 1, 2, 7, 14, 2, 8, 16. 2, 8, 16, 2, 9s are 18. So next we will be doing, next is 512. It should be 3 point. Hanji students, are you seeing what we are doing? 512, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are. Here, what we commented here, students, it should be here. One thing, wait, here I kept. Yes. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 6 are, 2 8s are 4. Okay. Now you can see how many times 2 is repeated. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 2 raised to power 9 is the answer, because I have seen when I gone through, because there we were committing the mistake. We were writing 7, it was not. When we can see 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, and when we see all these are even numbers, and there 2 is repeated how many times? 9 times. So we got the answer 2 raised to power 9. Now students, one more example of this kind we can do. So let us do 729. Now if you see the last digit is 9, so it is not divisible by 2. You can check the divisibility by 3. 3, what we say? Divisibility of 3 says that add all the digits. Now 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. It means it will be divisible by 3. So let us do 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again, if you add the digits, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 comes in table of 3, so it is divisible by 3. So again 3 8s are 3 1s. Now 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 it is divisible by 3 again. So 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are, now 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Again students, if you see that 3 is repeated how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 3 raised to power 6 is the answer. Okay. So all when we do the prime factorization, some students they take the composite numbers. We don't have to take the composite numbers. We only have to take the prime numbers. Now what is the difference between prime numbers and composite numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which comes in its own table. Okay, but the composite numbers they come in table of 9. Suppose if you take 9, 9 is a composite number because it comes in table of 3, it comes in table of its own table. So it is a composite because it comes in more than one table. So 9 we will not divide 729, even though you will, some students they say that 729 is divisible by 9 also. So when we are doing the prime factorization, we will not take the composite numbers, we take only the prime numbers. Now students, let us do next question. Question number 4. If you see here, identify the greatest number. I think you can do by yourself now. Question 4, question 5. Now in question number 5, it is written, express each of the following as a product of powers of their prime factors. Again question number 4, 5, they are similar to 3 question. Now 6 question number, if you see, it is written simplify. Simplified you will get, find you can get in the form, you can be given the statement, evaluate, whatever it will be given, you will be solving in this way. 2 into 10 raised to power 3. So it means 2 you will write, 2 into 10 is repeated how many times? 3 times. So you can write this way. Now multiply. Now 100, 10 into 10 is 100, 100 into 10 is 1000, 1000 into 2 is 2000. So simply when we do the multiplication, count the number of zeros, how many times they are coming? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 0, 2 into 1. When you multiply, you will get the 2. So this is your answer. Now the next more part, 7th part of this sum, 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 multiply 3 raised to power 2. Okay, 3 raised to power 2. It means we have to do multiplication. Some students do common mistake. Some students will do 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 2, 6, which is wrong. We have to take 2 how many times? 4 times. Okay? Now 3 how many times? 2 times. So it means 2 into 2 is 4. Now 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 3 into 3 is 9. Now you can see, now 16 into 9 is 144. So we got the answer. Okay? Now students, this in the same way you can solve the other sums also. Now let us move to question number 7. Now in question number 7, if you see, question number 7 is written again, simplify minus first part minus 4 raised to power 3. Now minus power. Now students, here also one remember, as I have told you in between, I will tell you more laws if you will get in between. Now when we are multiplying any number, any negative term, it's multiplied, this one odd number of times. So when we are having odd number of times, we will also get in answer the negative answer. Okay, minus we will get. But suppose if we are having the negative term is multiplied, even it is raised to power is even times. Suppose instead of 3 we will have 2. Then the answer will always be positive. In this case, we will always get the negative answer. And when the power is even, we will always get the answer positive. So this you will remember. It will be very helpful for you. Now students, let us solve this sum. Now minus 4 minus. Okay? So also if you remember, minus is minus, plus into minus is minus, or otherwise also simply when you straightway you can write, if the power is odd, you will get the answer is the negative term. Now 4 multiplied 3 times. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 64. So minus 64 is your answer. Now students, one more of this type I will solve for you. The fourth part. In the fourth part, it is written minus 2 raised to power 3. Minus 2 raised to power 3 multiply by minus 10 raised to power 3. Now minus 2. Again if you see in this part, minus is coming how many times? 3 times, odd times. It means when you multiply minus 3 times, you will get the answer in negative. And here also you will get the negative. And minus you will get in last positive. Now here minus 2, minus 3. It is an odd number. Answer would be in negative. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So minus 8 multiply. Now students, if you see minus 3 times, it is an odd. So your answer will be negative. 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. Now students, minus is 2 times, even times. As I have told you, if your answer is, if you are multiplying even times, you will get positive. Minus will become plus. 8 into 1000 is 8000. So this is your answer. Okay students. Now here you can solve the 8th sum. It is a comparison only to solve the first part and then see the second part. Whichever you will get greater, you have to apply the greater or the smaller one, you have to see.